All right, so now that you're good at the 30, 60, 90 triangles, I want to start putting these together. So these are called composite figures with 30, 60, 90s, and you always want to find the shared side of the triangles. So let's take a look at A. So the side that they have shared is the middle side. Okay, so I want to find that first. So I'm going to be looking at this triangle on the right-hand side because I know a side length of that triangle. So this is a 45, 45, 90, and I'm going to use exactly what I've been doing. So this is x, and this is x root 2. So I'm going to set x root 2 equal to 12 root 2. And find that x is 12. Okay, so x is 12, which means this side, this is 12, and this is 12. Okay, and now I eventually want to find y. So I've got my 30, 60, 90 triangle here. So this is going to be x, this is x root 3, and this is 2x. Okay, so since I know this side, I'm going to say x root 3 equals 12. I have to multiply the top and bottom by root 3. That's going to equal 4 root 3. So this side here, this bottom, is going to be 4 root 3. And this hypotenuse is going to be 2 times that, so 8 root 3. Which means y equals 8 root 3. So you want to find that side that they share first and then work your way over to the other triangles. Alright, let's take a look at B here. So B, we only know one side. We know 8 here. So I'm going to be working with this triangle and trying to find all those shared sides until I get to that y. Okay, so I've got this triangle x and x, and this is x root 2. So if I divide by root 2, and I multiply top and bottom, I'm going to get 8 root 2 over 2, which is 4 root 2. So these are going to be 4 root 2. Okay, now I'm going to use that and go to the other triangle, the green one. Okay, so that side on that triangle, 4 root 2, is equal, since it's a hypotenuse, that's going to be the x root 2 side. So if 4 root 2 equals x root 2, then each leg is going to equal 4. So this is 2, oops, not, come on, Mulaney. So this is 4, and this is 4. All right, so last one, we got another one here. Let's do it in red. So this triangle here, that 4 is going to be the x root 2 side in that triangle. So 4 equals x root 2. So I'm going to have to multiply top and bottom by root 2. So I have 4 root 2 over 2, which is 2 root 2. So that's what each side length measures. So this is 2 root 2, and this is 2 root 2. So last triangle here in purple. So the 2 root 2 is the x root 2, because it's the hypotenuse. So x is just going to equal 2, and that's the leg length. So that's also y. So y equals 2 as a final answer. Okay, so keep finding the side lengths that are equal, or I'm sorry, that are shared, and then you want to work your way around the triangles.